Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix volume buttons not working after update on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. If you're using Galaxy S23 Plus and you're facing the issue that your volume buttons are not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to go to software update settings and your settings tab, go to software update. Retry to check for update because sometimes it might be that there's any technical issue, any software glitch, your software update doesn't completely download or install on your phone, so it might create these type of glitches. Or if you're still facing the same issue that your software is up to date but you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to make a force restart to fix any software glitch. Now for this, just press and hold your volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds here. The very first in 15 seconds, you might see a black screen here. So just wait for a black screen. Once you see the black screen, just wait for Samsung logo here. And once you see a Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So it will make a force restart your phone, which might take longer than usual. So you just have to wait for this. And once you have done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, it might be that your buttons are physically damaged. You can try to check for your buttons if they are damaged. So you can try to repair your volume button, or you can also try to change them with a new volume buttons. But if you want to customize your volume without using these buttons, so there's also some ways. The very first way, go to settings app here and go to sounds and vibration. Select volume and here you can easily access all the volume section. You can easily customize the volume you want. Or if you don't want to open your settings every time you want to change your volume, so you can go to settings app again and go to accessibility settings. Click on interaction and dexterity. You might see assistant menu here. Click on it. You'll see at this type toolbar. You just have to go back. Now whenever you want to customize the volume, just click on this volume here. Click on volume option here. Select the volume you want to customize, the media and ringtone, and just customize your volume from here. So in this way, you can easily fix if your volume buttons are not working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.